You should choose your degree based on your interest, not on your family or friends' interest, is which one to choose. BSc in psychology or BA in psychology. So people prefer to do masters and diploma courses in. Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vidisha and I hope you all are doing good and staying very safe. So I'm back with another informative video after such a long time for all those people who are planning to come into Amity for doing psychology. So I'm very excited to make this video after really very long time, because when I started my YouTube channel, I started with this kind of video only, and it's been a year and I have connected with many of you in university also. So I want to connect more with you all. So yeah. So today I'll be replying to many questions which you have asked on my channel for psychology, for Amity, because there is a lot of confusion. There is a lot of confusion for all of you that which one to choose, which is better, why is Amity not due. So let's start this video. Okay, so most asked question on my channel is which one to choose, BSc in psychology or BA in psychology. So guys, if we talk about these both courses, they both have their own interest. They both have their own perks. So if I talk about BSc in psychology, so it is more like practical based. If you are interested into research, into clinical psychology, into neuropsychology, you should opt for BSc. While if we talk about BA in psychology, it is more into like theoretical based, social science based, not very practical course it is. And if you want to go into counseling, sales, HR, social media, you should opt for BA. But if you ask about my opinion, I would suggest that BSc is more better than BA, because you have many options after doing your bachelor's. I'm not saying कि BA में options नहीं है या BA में options कम है, but the thing is I'm saying is from my opinion, I think BSc is better. So let's move on to next question, which is, are there good placements for this field in psychology in Amity? So guys, psychology is a growing field and it totally depends on your qualifications, your capabilities, your talent, your marks, that you get good placements or not. But if we talk about like the placements, so people prefer to do masters and diploma courses in psychology to increase their job opportunities. Maybe like while doing this bachelor's, you don't get any jobs or you don't get many opportunities. So yeah, because I don't think so that you get very good packages, but yes, you can teach class 12 students, you can go into HR, you can go into counseling, and yeah, for after doing bachelor's. But I would suggest that you should prefer masters or diploma courses before applying for jobs or etc. Okay, so the next most asked question on my channel is, should we keep Amity as our second preference after Delhi University or any other government colleges? So guys, Delhi universities provide you the very prestigious colleges, and they provide you very much research driven things in their colleges. But the drawback is they don't provide you BSc in psychology. Yes, you're hearing me right. Amity only provides you the best BSc in psychology in Delhi NCR. But it obviously, Delhi University is a government college and उसकी value बहुत ज़्यादा है, but and that is affordable also. But Amity is a private college. आपकी fees is very high, or I can say this is expensive. But if you are interested into BSc, you should come to Amity. They provide you the best internships, trainings, etc. Also, if you get due JNU or any other government college, go for them. But if not, the best backup option is Amity University. Okay, so the next question is, will I get proper exposure in terms of internships for this degree? Yes, Amity provides the best internships, trainings at NGOs, hospitals, counseling centers, and you will have the best exposure here. As I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, that you have the study exchange program also, that you can go abroad and continue the degree for like 5 weeks for one semester. So it is a very good thing about Amity that it provides you the best exposure. So thumbs up for this question. Also, I think these were the most asked questions on this channel, and these were the most important questions which I wanted to answer to all of you guys who are planning to come into Amity for psychology. So yes, final tips from my side that you should choose your degree based on your interest, not on your family or friends' interest, because you are the one who will be studying this degree, not your family or not your friends. Okay, so please choose wisely that where do you have the most interest. So I think that much was enough, and if you have any more doubts, please feel free to drop down your doubts. I will reply to them in future videos, or I will try to reply to them then and there only. So I hope कि इस वीडियो ने आपको बहुत हेल्प किया होगा. Drop me some ideas that what all you need in future, what all videos do you need in future, and that much was enough. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Take care. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Bye.